everyone! Welcome back to my channel again, and if it's your first time to come here on this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button down below, and of course, do not forget to click the tiny bell button beside the subscribe button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here on this channel. Today guys, I will be reviewing a product from Nichido or Nichido, and it is a lipstick in the shade Rouge Blossom in high definition lipstick. So this is the lipstick and it's already on my lips. So if you want to know my thoughts about this product, keep on watching. Here I am applying the lipstick on my lips, of course, and the consistency or the formulation is really great guys. Sobrang napaka-creamy ng formula niya. And one thing that I noticed with this product, meron siyang scent na medyo chocolatey, may chocolate part siya na medyo may chemical scent siya. I don't know if because old product na siguro to, because I got this product for only 99 or 88 if I'm not mistaken. Parang 99 pesos lang siya. Kasi 50% off ang Nichido last December. Yung packaging niya was really good guys. And meron siyang mga Nichido, something like that. So, and good thing with this packaging as well is meron siyang shade on top of it. Hindi mo na kailangan baliktarin yung lipstick mo kapag ilalagay mo siya dun sa canister mo or sa lipstick organizer mo. So, that's a one good thing on this product. And of course, while applying the product, napaka-smooth lang ng application guys. And hindi naman matte yung effect niya. Actually, kasi nag-set na siya, hindi siya matte, but it's semi-matte. Kung hindi kayo mahilig sa matte, then this one is good for you. I recommend this one to you guys na medyo dry yung skin nyo, medyo dry yung lips nyo, pero you wanna go to a matte finish of lipstick. Ang makagandahan nito, hindi siya ganun ka-matte, medyo hydrating siya. Yun yung term for this lipstick. I am not really expecting a lot from this product kasi nga diba, you get what you pay for, and I only bought this for 99 pesos, but let us still see kung gaano siya katagal sa lips natin kasi ang original price nito I guess is 190 something or 180 something if I'm not mistaken. So it's already 7:44 on my phone, and I will get back to you guys with more updates on this lipstick. So this is now my lips after eating my lunch guys. It's already 12 past 12 I mean. Kasi nag-lunch na ako and yung lunch ko medyo oily siya, pero look at the quality naman guys. Meron pa din siya dyan. Andyan pa rin siya. And nag-set na siya ng matte. Kasi siguro dahil na-dry up ko na yung lips ko with the tissue. Ayun, nag-set siya ng matte. And yeah, it's still good. Kahit ganyan lang. Mag-smack lang tayo para ma-spread pa din yung tint niya. So, still good. Let's continue waiting for the time. Maybe hanggang mga 4 siguro or 5 para parang nasa office lang yung peg natin. So, let's see. Hey guys! So, last update ko na to sa lipstick na Nichido in the shade Rouge Blossom. So, it's already past 4 PM, I guess. Low-bat na yung phone ko kaya hindi ko na ma-update ang oras, but it's already, let me see in the iPad, it's already 4:52 PM. So, eto na guys yung kanyang kinalabasan after how many hours, I don't know, I didn't count the time, pero kumain na ako, uminom na ako, but it did transfer. If you've noticed, if you can notice, ito siya, nag-transfer siya sa aking baso. So, it's okay lang naman kasi minimal lang naman na pagta-transfer, unlike yung ibang lipsticks na sobrang yung buong lips mo talaga magaganon sa baso. This one, it didn't transfer like that. Hindi siya ganon ka-crazy na mag-transfer. So, minimal lang siya. It's a good thing. And of course, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is really great because sabi ko nga kanina, you don't need to, ano ba to, yung parang ibalik ta rin siyang ganyan. Pag ilalagay mo siya sa lipstick organizer mo, lalo na yung lipstick stand, just to see the shade, kasi makikita mo na dito sa top yung shade niya. And with close up, sa packaging niya, meron siyang mga Nichido, ganun na, and heart. Actually, parang pumapantay siya sa parang packaging ng Lancome, parang ganyan. Kasi titingnan mo siya guys, ganyan. Black and gold is really amazing kapag dating sa packaging talaga. You'll never get wrong with the black and the gold, parang napakasosyalin, mamahalin, ganun ang effect lang talaga. So, the effect. And the longevity is really good. Sobrang tagal niya sa akin. Hindi na masama na uwi ka ng ganito yung lipstick mo, ha? In fairness, hindi na masama. Maganda ka pa rin. The price-wise, okay lang siya. Very much affordable kung ganito naman ang performance, diba? Kahit 200 pesos, but this is less than 200 pesos, guys. Sobrang love na love ko. And I got this for less than 100 kasi naka 50% off ang Nichido that time that I got that one. So it's 8/10 dahil lang sa transfer lang siya, but it's okay. Hindi lang naman siya ang lipstick na nagto-transfer, guys. So, I really recommend this one if you are still hunting for a very good lipstick. If you're a student and you can't afford a lipstick na sobrang mahal, Nichido is a good buy, guys. Sobrang sulit ang pera ko dito. And ang dami niya, in fairness. Ang dami niya. The packaging, parang Revlon na naman. Guys, ayan o, ang dami. So if you love this video, do not forget to like and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this product, or kung meron kayong suggestion na gusto nyo ipa-review na product, or you want me to try, ganon, or kung na-try nyo na din tong product na to, please let me know down below. And also, if you have an Instagram or Facebook, you can follow me with the username JoyOfMia. And thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah.